What's good, guys? Luhamfm here. So I'll be showing you how to install the newly released Affinity. So Affinity just announced a collaboration with Canva where the Affinity 3 would be free, and I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide how to successfully install it onto your system and the mistake you should avoid, or what you should do if you are getting some certain errors on installation. So once you click on the link to download the Affinity app, I'll leave the link on the description below. So once you click the link, you'll come to this page and then you click on Get Affinity. Once you click on it, you can see here it's totally free, so you have to just sign up to download. Click on sign up. If you have a existing Canva account already, all you need to do is click on continue, but if you don't have, you just have to log in with another one. So I'll just click on continue because I'll be using my app. So once you click on continue, there are two major software. They are one for Mac OS and the other one for Windows, so I'm focusing more on Windows. So once you click on this drop down, you can see that for Windows there's a whole lot of different options, so I'll be guiding you on the exact one to choose that is specific for your system. So the first one here says MSIX64, that is a modern Windows application version, and this is the bit x64. Why this one here that's having /exe is the extension. If you want the extension, this one will just be the APK that you just launch and use. This is the extension where you have to install it and then you will use it. And then we have this other type here, this MSIX ARM64. It is a modern cross architecture application package from Microsoft. Also, this one is the extension file that you may want to download. So to know the exact system bits on your system, or to know the one specific for your system, you have to check your system specification. You can come to your settings here. Under about, you will see your system specification. You can check under system type, you will see the type of bits, or you click on Windows X, then click on system. So it will just open here and you will see the system specification. So once you have seen your system specification, then you click on the one that is specifically for your system to do. So I have already installed this on my system because that is the one that is specific for my system. So I'll just go ahead and launch that. So I'll just come to my file. It's already on my download folder, so I'll just double click on it and I will let it to launch. Okay, so the installation is complete now. I'll just click on close. So it doesn't launch automatically. What it does is I create a desktop shortcut on my desktop, so I just have to click on the shortcut. So I'll click on show, and then this is it here. I'll just double click to launch it. Okay, so it's loading now. Okay, so once it has loaded, it will still require you to sign up. So you just click on login or sign up. So you can see for my system, I'm getting this error. It's saying license activation failed. The system time does not match server, and when I check my time here, my time is actually correct. Currently now on my location it is 9:36, but it's still showing me this error. So I'll be showing you how to fix it. All you have to do is just to close, come to your setting or your taskbar, just click on your time here. Once you click on the time, you click on this drop down menu, click on adjust date and time. Once you click on adjust date and time, you just select this set time automatically. Just turn it on. Just for now, it will change the time to an incorrect time, but just leave it like that for us to just install. So once it's done, you just click on login and it will just redirect you now. So all I have to do is continue. and once you continue, you open back the app. So I think it's already launched, so you can see you have successfully installed the Affinity on your browser. So you can just come here and create a new folder, and you can start designing. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, kindly leave a like, and if you are not a subscriber, you can subscribe, as more tutorial on this new Affinity software will be coming up. Thank you guys. Peace.